What's up, guys? Today is Wednesday. So yesterday I finished up the project that I'd been talking about for so long, and then I had to change it, and that was the bed project. It was supposed to be a bunk bed, but it ended up being just a single bed for my 4-year-old. So I did the whole thing out of plywood, just released it. Actually, it was early this morning, so just past midnight last night I released it. Got caught up on a few things and had to adjust some things on the plan. And so released it a little bit later than I had anticipated. So if you missed it, it's over on my main channel. So go check that out, and be sure to check out the website link down in the description of that video. And do have plans for that as well. So it was really an easy build. The only thing that I encountered that I wasn't real happy with, oh, and another question just came in a little bit ago, is the slat support system. So all the strips of wood, those strips were really small, and then getting a couple of screws in each end was a little bit hard to do. But with the support ledge around the inside of that bed frame and the solid panel, you really didn't need that. But if you were to expand it to make a larger bed, then you'd have to have some kind of support down the middle, maybe even some leg supports in the middle of that, and then bring two of those beds together or something like that. It can be done. I didn't include any of those dimensions in the plan, but you can do that. The other thing that people were concerned about, well, one person so far, and it was in my mind, and I just didn't do it, but there are no holes in that support panel, and so there's like no airflow. They were worried about, mold and that kind of thing. I forget who that was, but if you're watching this and that was you, I see some beds that have the holes in the support, and then I see some that don't have any airflow or holes in the support under the mattress. So, I guess it just depends on where you live, or what kind of climate's in your house. But we tend to change our sheets pretty regular, and we have like the allergen covers over the mattress and that kind of thing. So we kind of keep an eye on it. So if I start to see something, then I'll know that I need to drill some holes in that for airflow. So I don't know for sure. And a lot of mattresses sit on box springs. So what's the difference? I don't know. Anyway, we'll cross that bridge when it comes up, if it comes up. So yeah, that project is released. I got my boys situated in their rooms, and my youngest son has got his own room now, so that's good. Now I'm going to move over to the barn door project. I just posted a picture over on Instagram, and let's see if I can turn you guys around. So this is what the door is going to look like. This is a little bit wider than 3 feet, so I'm going to have to trim off some of these. I need to run these across the jointer, or run them through the table saw to get some nice clean edges and do a glue up, and then I'll be able to knock this out, I hope pretty quick. So I'm waiting on all the hardware, all the rails and parts to come in from Rockler to be able to do the sliding barn door. I'm going to have the soft close mechanism on it, so on each end, I know with 3 boys, they're just going to slam it, they're going to want to roll it, and so the idea is kind of like a soft close drawer. So when you open the door, even if you were to open it pretty hard, it would, and then close or open or close softly. So looking forward to that. Got a little bit of got a few things in the mail that I want to give a shout out real quick to say thank you. So Joel McKinney sent me some wood. I'm not sure what it is, but he brought this back from New Mexico when he was, I'm assuming he was on tour, or I say tour, he was, I guess, deployed or doing something over there. But anyway, he was up in the mountains. He cut this down with like one of his Leathermans, and so he could get it into his backpack. And so I've got several pieces here. Thank you, Joel. I appreciate this. I'll try to turn some of this on the lathe and see how it looks. But he sent me, 1, 2, 3, 4 more patches, and gave me a printout of what they are, and just who might be you know, who might have some of these patches or whatever, like where they came from, what the motto is, what the nicknames are. So that's pretty cool. So now I've got let's see, including the ones that he sent and then the ones previous, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then one on my vest is 9. So I've got 9 patches so far, which is really cool. I almost don't even feel worthy of having these things, because you guys that have given me these patches wore these things during your, you know, serving your country, and I just feel honored to have them, and I appreciate it. So thank you very much for sending them to me. I'm happy to display them here in the shop, even on my vest. So it's just really cool. So thanks a lot, Joel. I appreciate the kind gesture. Got a couple more stickers in the mail. So my cabinet is filling up pretty quick. So this is where the stickers are. These are the patches. These are the ones that Joel sent. And then these over here was the first set that I got. But I've got one more door. So if I continue to get patches, I'm going to leave all of this for patches. I don't know. We'll see how that goes. You know, it doesn't have to be military patches, I guess. I don't know. But I'm going to save this door for patches if any more come in. And so we'll see how far that goes. But yeah, I've got a little bit more room up here on this cabinet for stickers. And then if I run out of that, I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I'll go somewhere else in the shop with the stickers. Now, if I owe you a sticker, it's coming, okay? I've got, you know, I thought I ordered them, and it turns out I didn't, and now I got to order them again. It's just a big misunderstanding. So as soon as I get some more stickers in, I'm going to be repaying those that have sent me some recently. So stand by. You will get your sticker. Let's see, what else? So I got a biscuit joiner. I bought the DeWalt biscuit joiner for this project, this barn door project. It's the first biscuit joiner that I've owned. I thought about getting the Festool, and I thought, nah, it's too much money for me to invest, because, you know, if I get more involved with projects like this and it will pay for itself in the long run, then I'll get something like that. But this was less than $200, and especially for this project, I'll get some good use out of that. So got a new tool out of this project here. I think that's it. And after this barn door is completed, my schedule might change up a little bit. I'm not real sure yet. I'm gonna do some more thinking on that, and then I'll fill you guys in. And then at some point, I'm gonna be doing a workbench. So be on the lookout for that. That's it. Be sure to check out the video and the website article, and we'll catch you guys later. See ya.